Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will explain isothermal expansion in thermodynamics using clear visuals, the ideal gas law, and a full derivation of the work done. Let's visualize a gas in a cylinder with a movable piston. In isothermal expansion, the gas expands, but the temperature stays exactly the same. To keep temperature constant, heat must flow in. The word isothermal means same temperature. We use the ideal gas law, PV equals N RT. In this process, N, R, and T are constant, so P times V remains constant. This is also called Boyle's law. Now, let's derive the work done in an isothermal expansion. A small amount of work is dW equals PdV. Total work is the integral of PdV from V1 to V2. We substitute P equals N RT divided by V. Since N, R, and T are constant, we pull them out. The integral of 1 over V is natural log. So the final formula is W equals N RT times ln of V2 over V1. In an ideal isothermal expansion, the internal energy does not change because temperature is constant. The first law says delta U equals Q minus W. Since delta U is 0, we get Q equals W. All heat added becomes work done by the gas. Let's summarize the key features of isothermal expansion.